Hello guys, review Realme C67, this version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable, okay. On this we have protected back cover and documentary, and key for SIM cards. Slot for SIM cards we have for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, full slot, double camera, 108 megapixels plus 2 megapixels main camera, slot on this side, power button and fingerprint scanner on this side, wall buttons, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, headphones jack, okay, and 6.7-inch display. Open settings. About phone, we have Realme UI version Android 14, Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 octa-core processor, Adreno 610 this GPU, and look results. Geekbench 6, open, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results, and look onto the benchmark score. Onto the benchmark score, okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level or only low graphic level, okay. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.